Rosemex 10-Step Installation Guide. The fastest installation our products have ever offered. The new Rosemex cabinet enclosure is made of 9 assembly parts. All cabinet enclosures are fabricated with extruded aluminum and steel parts. Installation has never been so easy.
Step 1.
First of all, measure the wall.
Step 2.
With a miter saw, cut to size.
Step 3.
Set the first screw in the center.
Step 4.
With a level the mount.
Step 5.
Set the final screws. Between step 5 and 6, the plumber must have the induction unit installed and the leak test performed before continuing to step 6.
Step 6.
With a rubber hammer, set in place bracket hanger, RS102.
Step 7.
Assembling and securing the top of the cabinet enclosure. The top is made of 4 parts. The front, model number RA103. And the grille, model number RA104. The 2 end pieces, model number RA105. Begin by setting the front part after being cut to size, then set the grille in place. As the 2 end pieces are set in place, they too can be cut to size with a miter saw.
Step 8.
The pedestal leg RS106 is secured under the front mount RA103 with a click. Once the pedestal is secured, proceed with the foot assembly and height adjustment.
Step 9.
Place the 3 screws to secure the foot to the leg, 2 on each side and 1 in the front. To lock the foot, then secure the foot to the floor with 2 screws.
Step 10.
The front panel RS108 and RS109 are easily secured to a latch. This concludes our installation demonstration. Thank you for watching.
With standard steel front panels, aluminum front panels also available. With custom options, such as an optional shelf, a variety of front panels are available with or without slots. With hidden pedestal design. The new heating enclosure design of 2019. Rosemex, the design of comfort.